Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. This is Alka Maheshwari. In our previous sessions, we have learned to add and subtract the integers. Now in this session, we are going to take the addition and subtraction, that is the horizontal addition and subtraction of decimals. It is also quite simple as in the case of integers. Now let's begin with the session. I hope you must be having a paper and pen with you. So let's begin. Now in the first problem, just observe the problem carefully. Here we are having the combination of decimals and integers. Okay friends, so let's make the numbers even. So here I am having one number after decimal, even here I am having one number after decimals. So let me put here a 0 after decimal. Okay, now let's begin to calculate from the decimal sides. So it's 3 plus 5, 8. You should cut the numbers to avoid the visual confusion. Okay friends, so 3 plus 5, 8 and 0, it will be 8. I put a decimal over here. Then 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8. Then it is 6. So the answer is 68.8. So let's do this problem now. Here we are having two digits after decimal, so I put a 0 over here and a 0 over here. Now let's begin. It's 1, then 2 plus 8, 10 and 1, 11. I write 1 over here, then 1 will be carried. I put a decimal. I have 1 with me. That 1 plus this 4, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 3, 15. I write 5 over here and 1 will be carried. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 6, 10. So what I am having as answer is 105.11. Now let's take the next problem. It's 12.34, 234. Let me write a 0 over here to make the numbers even, to make the digits even. Now let's begin. It's 4 plus 0, 4 plus 6, 10. I write a 0 over here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 14. I write 4. 1 will be carried. I put a decimal. Then 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. I write 1 over here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8. Now I am left with 2 only. So the final answer is 281.40. Now the next problem. I put a 0 over here and I put a 0 over here. After practice, you need not put these zeros over here. Okay friends, so it's let's begin. 0 plus 3, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6. Then 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13. I write 3 over here and 1 will be carried. I put a decimal. That 1 plus 6, 7 and 1, 8 and 1, 9. Then 5 plus 8, 13. So the final answer to this calculation is 139.36. Now the next problem. I put a 0 over here. I put 2 zeros over here. Then I put 1 0 over here. Let's begin the calculation. It's 0, 0, 0 and I got 1 at the units place. Then it's 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2, 4. Now 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 7, 18. I write 8 and 1 will be carried. I put a decimal. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 8, 17. I write 7 over here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12 and 2, 14. I write 4 over here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 7, 8. So the final answer is 847.841. Okay friends, it's actually easy. You just have to practice. Now you can pause the session and start doing the next problem, then match the answer with mine. Now let's see this. Okay, I put a 0 over here. Let's begin. 3 plus 4, 7 and 2, 9. I write a 9 over here. Next, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10 and 4, 14. I write 4 over here and 1 will be carried. I put the decimal. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 8 and 2, 10. I write 0 over here and 1 will be carried. 1 plus 3, 4 and then 1. So the final answer is 140.49. It's very simple, friends. Now let's begin with the subtraction. It's as simple as addition. It's 2 minus 1, 1. I put a decimal. 4 minus 2, I write 2. And then 5 minus 1, 4. So the answer is 42.1. Now let's take this problem. It's 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 3, 3. I put a decimal. Then 5 minus 2, 3. Then 4 minus 1, 3. Isn't it so simple, friends? Now let's do this problem. I put a 0 over here. Now 0 minus 3. So I cannot write minus 3 as such. So what I would do is I'll borrow 1 from the next calculation. So I would just write 10 minus 3, 7. Now I have negative 1 with me, which I will settle down over here. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, I put a decimal over here. Then 4 minus 1, 3. Then 23 as it is. So the final answer to this problem is 233.27. Similarly over here I put a 0. 0 minus 7, that is minus 7. I cannot write minus 7. So what I would do, I would borrow 1 from the next calculation. So 10 minus 7, I'll get 3. Now I have negative 1 with me. Now 4 minus 1, that negative 1. So I'd get 3. And 3 minus 6, I'll get negative 3. So further I cannot write minus 3. So what I would do is I would write 10 minus 3, that is 7. Now I have negative 1 with me. I put a decimal over here. That negative 1 is 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 8. I'm getting minus 4. So further I cannot write minus 4. So what I would do, I would borrow 1. So 10 minus 4, I'll be getting 6. Now I have negative 1 with me. Now that negative 1 from 7 is 6 minus 5, 1 and 6 as it is. So the final answer to this problem is 616.73. Now in this problem, it is obvious that the answer will be negative. So what I would do is, I just put a minus over here and plus over here, and in final answer I'll put a negative sign to make the problem correct. Now let's begin. I put a 0 over here. It's minus 4 plus 0, that is 10 minus 4. So I cannot write minus 4. So what I would do is I'll put 10 minus 4, that is 6. Okay, now I have negative 1 with me. That negative 1 plus this 9, that is 8 minus 3, 5. Okay, then it's 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. I cannot write minus 1. So what I would do is 10 minus 1, that is 9. I have negative 1 with me. So it's 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 9, minus 4. I cannot write minus 4. So I'll borrow 1. I'll write 6. That is 10 minus 4. I have negative 1 with me. So it's 5 minus 1, 4. So I'm getting 469.56. But since I have put a negative sign over here and a positive sign over here, which was actually the opposite calculation, so I put a negative as a whole over here. So my final answer will be minus 469.56. Okay friends, let's do this next problem. Now in this problem, we are having addition as well as subtraction. Let's begin. It's 5 plus 3, 8, minus 1, 7, plus 2, 9, minus 6, 3. 4 plus 2, 6, minus 2, 4, plus 1, 5, minus 5, 0. I put a decimal. Then 3 plus 8, 11, minus 4, 7, plus 2, 9, minus 4, 5. Now 2 plus 7, 9, minus 6, 3, plus 1, 4, minus 1, 3. So what I am getting as answer is 35.03. It's very simple, friends. We are adding and subtracting simultaneously. Okay, friends, let's take another problem. Now let's take this problem. I put a 0 over here, and over here. Now let's begin. It's 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 3, minus 1. Finally, I'm getting minus 1, but I cannot write minus 1, so I'll borrow 1. So 10 minus 1, I'll be getting 9, and I'm having a negative 1 with me. Now that negative 1 and this one will produce a 0. It's minus 6 plus 3. I'll be getting minus 3 and minus 6. I'll be getting minus 9 plus 8. I'll be getting minus 1. Further, I cannot write minus 1, so I'll borrow 1. So 10 minus 1, I'll be getting 9. Now put a decimal over here, and I'm having a negative 1 with me. So 2 minus 1, 1, minus 4 minus 3, minus 3 plus 4 is 1, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 4 plus 7 will be 3. Similarly, 4 minus 1 3, plus 5 8, minus 4 4, plus 2 6. Now 3 minus 2 1, and plus 1 2. So what is the final answer is 263.99. Now in this problem, I put a 0 over here, a 0 over here, and a 0 over here. Now let's begin. 0, 0, it's minus 3 plus 4 is 1, and 0, I'll be getting 1. Next is 3 plus 7 10, minus 5 5, plus 6 11, 11 minus 1 is 10. I put a 0 over here, and a 1 will be carried. I put a decimal. Now 4 plus 1 5, plus 6 11, 11 minus 7 4, plus 5 9, minus 4 5. Now 3 plus 5 8, minus 6 2, minus 3, minus 1, but I cannot write minus 1, so I'll borrow 1. So 10 minus 1, I'll write 9. Now I have negative 1 with me. That negative 1 plus 4 is 3, and 3 minus 2, 1. So what my final answer is 195.01. Now in this problem, I put a 0 over here, I put a 0 over here. Now 0, 0, I'm having 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, then 3 minus 1, 2, plus 1, 3, minus 5, minus 2. But I cannot write minus 2. So what I would do is, I would borrow 1. So 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Now I am having negative 1 with me. I put a decimal over here. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Plus 3, 4. Minus 3, 1. Okay, friends. Now it is 6 minus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0, and then minus 4. So further I cannot write minus 4 as it is. So what I would do is, I'll borrow 1. So 10 minus 4, it is 6, and I am having negative 1 with me. Okay, friends. Now negative 1 plus this 5, I'll be getting 4. 4 minus 7, I'll be getting minus 3. So friends, final answer of this problem will be negative. I'm getting negative 3 over here, and this calculation 61.81 is actually positive. So but this 3 is actually at the thousands place, so I'll be putting 0 over here. Now the final calculation of this will be 238.19, and obviously there will be a negative sign over here. Okay friends, I hope you might have enjoyed the session and you have learned lots about addition and subtraction of integers as well as decimals. I am sure that you will definitely bring the methods in your day-to-day life, in your day-to-day mathematics. All the best, and let's meet in the next session once again.